Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
If you've verified that the power's on and you still haven't had ice in a 24-hour period, you may need to reset the ice maker. To do that, we're going to go ahead and power cycle it. We're going to turn it off for a few seconds, and then we'll turn it back on. I'm going to go ahead and grab some paper towels and place it underneath the ice maker to catch any water or ice that may be left in the ice tray. I'm going to use a pencil eraser to push the reset button. I'm going to push and hold for 5 seconds. The unit is now in test mode. The bail arm will come down and go back up, and the ice maker will twist and dump ice. There may be nothing in the ice tray when you reset the ice maker. The ice maker will return to home position, or the ice tray will return to home position, and the water valve will turn on 2 times and fill the ice tray. At this point, you should be able to hear and see water filling into the ice tray. If you do not hear and see water filling the ice tray, check the water valve and make sure the refrigerator has water.